Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Gladia. In today's video, I will be making some baked fish and coconut rice with the help of Toshiba rice cooker. This meal is packed with a lot of flavors. The coconut rice did not disappoint. It came out so fluffy and soft and tasty. I highly recommend trying this recipe. Let's get started. I already washed the rice. I am using jasmine rice, but you can use any kind of rice you want to. I am going to add 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon. This is also optional. I'm going to add enough water to cover the rice, and I'm also going to add some coconut milk. It is also optional. There are lines in the rice cooker to help you with the water measurement. I'm going to close the rice cooker, press the white rice button, press start, and that's it. I'm going to start with the fish. I am placing some lemons in the pan. Next, I will place the fish over the lemons. I am going to lightly season the fish. You can use any kind of seasonings you have. I'm going to add chicken bouillon, garlic salt, smoked paprika, and seasoned salt. I am adding about 2 tablespoons of garlic. I am also going to add sliced cherry tomatoes, red onions, a little bit of olive oil, and cooking wine. I'm going to bake this at around 365 till the fish are well done and it comes out flaky. Great things about this rice cooker is that it keeps the rice warm after it's done cooking. The rice came out perfect. It was fluffy, tasty, just the right texture I always go for. The fish just came out of the oven. I am going to sprinkle some cilantro on this for garnish, and it is eat time. With the help of Toshiba rice cooker, this meal did not take long at all. It is perfect for lunch or dinner. If you're interested in getting this rice cooker, I will have more information down in the description box. Guys, this recipe is 1,000 out of 10. It is just so good. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to check the description box, comment, like, share, and subscribe. And I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.